Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Gone in 60. Thanks for tuning in today. Make sure and subscribe and like my videos. Today, we're going to go over just a quick change to the car. It's on the interior of it. And I want to show you guys real quick what I'm looking at today. Okay, so the modification that we're going to be doing today is super easy. What's so funny about when I bought this car is I was like, you know what? I might just paint my brake calipers and tint my windows, and that's everything that I'll do to the car. And if you look in my garage, it's full of boxes, it's full of parts. I just got done installing the Hellcat air filter, and I have another install that I'm almost all the way done with that I'll show you guys here real soon. So this past weekend I was browsing at some stuff online, came across something I thought was pretty cool. So let me show you guys what we'll be doing today. We're gonna be installing a sticker on my engine start-stop button. What I ordered from Rebadge Design Graphics, and honestly, pretty simple little modification today. But here you can see it's official licensed product of Mopar, which honestly, for me, a sticker, I don't care where it's made, as long as it looks cool and it's awesome. So yeah, so got this ordered, came really quick. I'll make sure and leave a link to these guys' website so you can order them. So let me pull this out real quick, show you guys what we're working with today. So hang on, got it. So here's what it looks like. Sit down, shut up, and hang on. So I don't know. I was bored this weekend and saw this. I was thinking of going with Go Baby Go, which is off of Gone in 60 Seconds. And as you guys know, that's the name of my channel. It's the license plates on my car. But I went with this. And so it's, you know, in the sunlight, it actually looks really good. Kind of up on here. I don't know, maybe it still looks good. I was hoping it's maybe a little bit lighter of a red, but it actually looks pretty good. It's reflective. It looks like it's going to fit okay. You need to make sure and look at the model of your year. I guess with the start-stop buttons, there are different sizes, which I did not know. So what I'm going to do is just clean off the button real quick. I'm going to spray onto a microfiber towel just some cleaner. You know, as you can imagine, on the button, there's a lot of grease from your thumb, especially for me and all the Cheetos I eat, so I'm sure this is super greasy, but just want to clean this off just so it can adhere and stick really good to what we're doing. And yeah, the next video I'll show, guys, I'll just show a real quick clip of what it looks like after I'm done installing, but it looks really straightforward. Just kind of peel the sticker off the back. I am not the best when it comes to some of these projects where it requires preciseness. I don't even know if that's a word, but yeah, when you need to be precise, I wouldn't say I'm the best at it. So, all right, next clip I'll show you guys is what it looks like on after it's installed. If it's crooked, I'll just delete this video and you guys will never know. So, all right, hang tight. All right, so here's the finished product. Sit down, shut up, and hang on. Let me know what you guys think. How did I do? Is it on straight? Is it on a little crooked? I don't know. I think it looks pretty straight. So I'll pull it back out for you guys to kind of see. Maybe in some different lights. But yeah, we'll see how I like this. Just something really small, something cosmetic. Just wanted to add just some color into the car. You know, everything is pretty much stock. I actually don't mind the Dodge Challenger interior. I actually think they did a good job with it. Mine's the base model, so super simple. But yeah, just wanted to add a little flair to it. So let me know what you guys think. Is there any other stickers out there that you guys like? I'll leave a link in the description about where I bought these from. And thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll catch you on the next video.